The radar module can be connected to MoreSense exclusive test tool or USB to TLL tool for your setting parameter. High-performance radar IC with integrated 32-bit MC, U, LDO location, light sensor location, antenna area. Part on the testing tool. Let's start the parameter setting. Step 1. Choose the right column of the setting tool and baud rate. Default 115,200 if there is no special requirement. Step 2. Click it. Step 3. Set the distance as what your product needed. Step 4. Set the lighting time as what your product needed. Last step. Remember to click Save your parameter. This picture is showing the parameter, what we said just now. Let's watch a testing video in the actual environment. After the light is on and tense is passed, the light will be off automatically.